Space refers to the vast, seemingly infinite expanse that exists beyond Earth's atmosphere. It is the three-dimensional physical extent in which celestial bodies, such as planets, stars, galaxies, and other objects, are located. Space is a vacuum, meaning it is devoid of air, gases, and matter in general, though it does contain extremely low-density particles and electromagnetic radiation. These are 50 interesting and stunning facts about space. 1. Space is completely silent. Unlike on Earth, there is no air or atmosphere in space to carry sound waves. 2. The largest known structure in the universe is the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, a massive superstructure of galaxies stretching over 10 billion light-years. 3. In space, there is no up or down. The orientation of objects is relative and depends on the observer's perspective. 4. The Sun accounts for more than 99% of the total mass of the solar system. 5. The temperature in the core of the Sun reaches about 15 million degrees Celsius, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. 6. Space is not completely empty. It contains extremely low-density particles, such as hydrogen and helium, as well as electromagnetic radiation. 7. The Hubble Space Telescope can see objects up to 13 billion light-years away, giving us a glimpse into the early universe. 8. The International Space Station, ISS, is the largest human-made structure in space, spanning the size of a football field. 9. Astronauts on the ISS experience 16 sunrises and sunsets every day due to the station's orbit around the Earth. 10. The coldest known place in the universe is the Boomerang Nebula, with a temperature of -272 degrees Celsius, -458 degrees Fahrenheit. 11. The biggest volcano in the solar system is Olympus Mons on Mars, which stands about 3 times higher than Mount Everest. 12. Saturn's moon Titan has lakes and rivers, but instead of water, they are composed of liquid methane and ethane. 13. Space is not completely dark. It is filled with background radiation called the cosmic microwave background, which is the remnant of the Big Bang. 14. The Milky Way galaxy, our home galaxy, is estimated to contain between 100 and 400 billion stars. 15. The Andromeda Galaxy is on a collision course with the Milky Way and is predicted to collide with our galaxy in about 4 billion years. 16. Space is a vacuum, which means it is devoid of air and pressure. Astronauts must wear spacesuits to survive and maintain pressure around their bodies. 17. The speed of light is approximately 299,792 km per second, 186,282 miles per second, making it the fastest known phenomenon in the universe. 18. Neutron stars are incredibly dense and can contain as much mass as the Sun, squeezed into a sphere with a diameter of only 20 kilometers, 12 miles. 19. The Kuiper Belt, beyond the orbit of Neptune, is home to icy objects, including Pluto, and is believed to be the source of many comets. 20. The concept of a black hole was first theorized by physicist John Mitchell in 1783, although the term black hole was coined much later by physicist John Wheeler. 21. The event horizon of a black hole is the point of no return, beyond which nothing, not even light, can escape its gravitational pull. 22. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter, a giant storm, has been raging for at least 400 years and is larger than the Earth. 23. The largest known asteroid in our solar system is Ceres, with a diameter of about 940 kilometers, 585 miles. 24. The Moon is gradually moving away from the Earth at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters, 1.5 inches, per year. 25. The first human-made object to reach space was the Soviet satellite Sputnik 1, launched on October 4, 1957. 26. The temperature on the surface of Venus is hot enough to melt lead, reaching about 462 degrees Celsius, 864 degrees Fahrenheit. 27. The concept of a wormhole, a hypothetical shortcut through space-time, was popularized in science fiction but has not been observed or proven to exist. 28. The largest known star is Uy Scuti, with a diameter of approximately 1,700 times that of the Sun day. 29. A day on Venus is longer than its year, It takes about 243 Earth days for Venus to complete one rotation on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sunday. 30. The first person to travel to space was Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, who orbited the Earth aboard Vostok 1 on April 12, 1961. 31. The Voyager 1 spacecraft, launched in 1977, has exited the Solar System and is currently the farthest human-made object from Earth. 32. There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. 33. Astronauts experience a decrease in bone density during extended stays in space due to the lack of gravity's effect on their bodies. 34. The term astronaut comes from the Greek words astro meaning star and nauts meaning sailor. 35. The Sun is about 4.6 billion years old and is considered a middle-aged star. 36. The red color of Mars is due to iron oxide, or rust, on its surface. 37. The total mass of all the asteroids in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter is estimated to be less than the mass of Earth's moon. 38. The star Betelgeuse, in the constellation Orion, is so large that if it were at the center of our solar system, its outer surface would reach beyond the orbit of Jupiter. 39. The first American woman to travel to space was Sally Ride, who flew aboard the Space Shuttle Challenger in 1983. 40. The Apollo 11 mission, which landed the first humans on the Moon, used less computing power than a modern smartphone. 41. A year on the planet Neptune lasts about 165 Earth years. 42. The speed of the Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down, causing days to get longer by about 1.7 milliseconds per century. 43. The term light year is used to measure astronomical distances. It is the distance light travels in 1 year, approximately 9.5 trillion kilometers, 5.9 trillion miles. 44. The space between galaxies is not empty but contains tenuous gas and dust called the intergalactic medium. 45. The surface gravity on a neutron star is so strong that a teaspoon of its material would weigh about 1 billion tons. 46. Astronauts on the Moon's surface can leap 6 times higher and farther than they can on Earth due to the Moon's lower gravity. 47. The concept of dark matter, a mysterious substance that does not interact with light but affects the motion of galaxies, remains one of the biggest unsolved mysteries in astrophysics. 48. The light from the Sun takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. 49. The space probe Voyager 2, launched in 1977, has provided valuable data and imagery of the outer planets and is currently traveling beyond the influence of the Sunday. 50. Space tourism is becoming a reality, with companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin working on spacecraft to transport private individuals to space for recreational purposes. I hope you enjoyed these interesting and stunning facts about space.